But more importantly, the Parliamentary Secretary failed to mention how the Liberals have created a complete circus out of replacing our tired CF-18 fighter fleet. The capability gap is on the Liberal bench. Yeah. Mr. Speaker, Conservatives wisely budgeted $400 million to extend the life of our CF-18s. Last month, the commander of the Royal Canadian Air Force testified that our fighter jets will fly until 2025. Documents tabled yesterday by the minister's representatives confirmed that not one CF-18 has been assigned a retirement date.
We will enter into discussions immediately with Boeing on the acquisition of an interim fleet of 18 Super Hornets to address the capability gap.
Mr. Speaker, the current commander of the Air Force says there is no capability gap, and now 13 former commanders of the Air Force are demanding the Prime Minister put an end to his ill-advised, costly, and unnecessary sole-source purchase of 18 Super Hornets. Minister is now accusing Boeing of being untrustworthy. But the Defense Minister has been crying wolf about his fabricated capability gap, and he's the one who is untrustworthy. The Liberals are using our Air Force as a political pawn in a trade war with the United States.
No, we will not be buying used aircraft for our Air Force. We'll be buying new equipment for our aircraft.
Will the Prime Minister reverse this irresponsible decision and immediately launch a fair competition and move immediately to an open competition? Hold an open and fair competition. Will the Defense Minister stop playing politics with our troops and immediately hold an open and fair competition to replace our fighter jets?